Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies throughout the late morning and afternoon hours today. Then we'll see some clearing skies overnight. Overall, we'll see fairly seasonable temperatures today in the upper 60s for highs across the region. And we'll see a warm up as we'll see a southerly wind return for tomorrow. Looking at our surface observation as of 9 a.m. this morning, 9Z this morning, or 5 a.m. this morning, we had this cold front and frontal boundary that moved through the region yesterday with an area low pressure that gave us very unsettled conditions across the region with rainfall, as well as some embedded thunderstorms across the Mid-Atlantic region. Seeing that move well off to the north and east this morning, going to see continued high pressure build in the region for today, and just some northerly to northeasterly flow for this morning into the afternoon. Then we'll see winds turn more southwesterly overnight. Looking at our infrared satellite as well as our radar and our temperatures this morning, our surface observations, we'll have temperatures rising in the upper 50s this morning. We have some lower to mid-level cloud cover that's not easily seen on the infrared as they are fairly warm clouds, but they'll continue to stream from north to south across our region today. Our winds are out of the north-northwest this morning, about 8 to 13 knots across the region. We'll see those winds continue around that mile per hour range, but veer out of the or back out of the northeast for the afternoon. Looking at our current observation, we have a broken deck at 1,000 feet and at 1,500 feet. Unrestricted visibilities, temperature at 57 degrees. Winds were out of 340 degrees or north-northwest at 7 knots, and relative humidity at 86%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board, no chance of precipitation, lightning, and winds will be well under 25 knots. See a high around 69 as I mentioned, low tonight around 55. Winds out of the north-northwest and north-northeast this morning, becoming northeasterly for the afternoon hours around 7 to 12 knots. Then tonight we'll see a southwesterly wind, overnight becoming variable less than 5 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will see continued low-level cloudiness across the region for the morning hours, and then we'll see those ceilings raise to above VFR conditions for the afternoon hours. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly clear skies, just a few clouds at 1,000 feet. Our tides are 1 to 2 feet above normal. Looking at Tuesday into Wednesday, Tuesday will be mostly sunny, partly cloudy, and warmer, high of 75 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, mild, low of 59 degrees. And Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, slightly breezy onshore flow during the afternoon. Be very slight chance of an afternoon rain shower, a high of 71 degrees. Wednesday's high looks like to be quite tricky right now, as we'll have that backdoor cold front moving through during the possible morning and the afternoon hours. If that backdoor cold front does move through a little bit slower than is forecasted right now, we could see easily temperatures into the upper 70s for Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.